So the formalities have been completed, and Liverpool Football Club got our Premier League trophy today, as we now search frantically to find some space in our overloaded cabinet to put league trophy number 19. And look, these moments have been long in coming, and the way the whole thing looks and feels, I want to see and feel it again and again and again and again. Yes, yes. But even amidst the celebrations, my maverick mind is already venturing into the future and what the club needs to do to win at least 2 more titles in this Jurgen Klopp era, which would put us fully back on the top of our perch. Anyway, while we hail the players, the boss Jurgen Klopp is a real genius and magician, and we have to hail the gaffer, not just for reminding us that this was possible, but the man came, he saw, and he conquered, and led us back to the promised land. We salute you, Jurgen Klopp. We have some things to talk about, boss, but not now. Yeah, we need some more quality options coming off the bench. Yes, we will have the bull's eye on our head next season. So we have to upgrade and improve. We have to do what we do this season and do it better next season. But as we say, boss, we're not talking about that now. You'll never walk alone. 30 years feel like 3 years. Me up your pitch, Mr. You'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone.